Australia's wildlife is incredibly diverse, with animal species found from north to south across the continent. The country is also home to an astonishing variety of beautiful plant species. Among this rich biodiversity, however, are many dangerous animals that travelers should avoid when visiting Australia. Today, join Top Wonder as we take a closer look at the 12 most dangerous animals in Australia that you should be cautious of while traveling. 1. Inland Taipan. The Inland Taipan Oxyranus microlepidodus is found in inland regions of Australia such as Queensland, South Australia, New South Wales, and the Northern Territory. It is considered the most venomous snake in the world. Scientific research has shown that the venom of the Inland Taipan is 50 times more potent than that of a common cobra and 10 times more potent than that of the Mojave rattlesnake. Scientists have confirmed that it possesses the most toxic venom of any land-dwelling snake. The average length of an Inland Taipan ranges from 1.8 to 2.5 meters. Notably, it is capable of changing color with the seasons. During summer, it appears like green, while in winter it turns dark brown. This color change helps the snake adapt to the harsh climate of its habitat by adjusting how much sunlight its skin absorbs. Inland taipans primarily feed on small mammals, with rodents being their preferred prey. Their reproductive cycle is closely tied to rodent population levels. When rodents are abundant, taipans reproduce more frequently. Each breeding cycle produces between 12 and 20 eggs, which hatch after approximately 2 months. As mentioned above, the Inland Taipan possesses the most powerful venom in the world. A single bite can inject up to 100 milligrams of venom. At this dosage, the venom could kill 100 people within 30 to 45 minutes if medical treatment is not administered in time. Even a very small amount of venom released in a single bite is enough to instantly kill up to 250,000 mice. Following the lightning-fast bite of an Inland Taipan, up to 60% of heart muscle cells can be destroyed within the first 10 minutes. Once the venom enters the body, it damages the nervous system, causing severe headaches and full-body paralysis. Scientists also note that the Inland Taipan is not only extremely venomous, but also incredibly fast. When threatened, it lunges forward and bites its target in an instant. Its speed is so great that it is difficult to detect with the naked eye, making it one of the fastest, striking venomous snakes in the world. 2. Red-bellied black snake. The red-bellied black snake Pseudocus porphyriacus belongs to the cobra family and is one of the most commonly encountered snake species in eastern Australia. It has an average length of about 1.5 meters, with a glossy black upper body, bright red or orange flanks, and a pink or dull red underside. This species is not particularly aggressive and typically retreats when encountering humans, but it will attack if provoked. Although its venom can cause significant illness, there have been no recorded fatalities from its bite. Its venom is less potent than that of many other Australian elapid snakes. The venom contains neurotoxins, myotoxins, clotting agents, and hemolytic properties, and victims may also lose their sense of smell. It can cause kidney failure and may be fatal if not treated promptly with antivenom. Red-bellied black snakes usually live in forests and swamps but often venture into nearby urban areas. They hunt in shallow water environments, such as aquatic vegetation and submerged logs, feeding primarily on frogs, as well as fish, reptiles, and small mammals. The species is classified as least concern by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, although its population is believed to be declining due to habitat fragmentation and the reduction of frog populations. 3. Stonefish. The stonefish, also known as the frogfish, has a fearsome appearance but is considered a culinary delicacy. It is recognizable by its rough, bumpy body and coarse skin, mottled with reddish-brown and mossy colors that allow it to blend easily into sand or camouflage among rocks. Stonefish typically grow to 30 to 40 centimeters in length and are masters of camouflage, relying on speed to capture prey. Once a stonefish identifies its target, it strikes in just 0.015 seconds, swallowing the prey whole. Despite its high culinary value, the stonefish is the most venomous fish in the world and is often referred to as the Lord of Venom in the ocean. It does not actively attack enemies, but can kill an adult human within a few hours using its venomous spines. The stonefish has 13 venomous dorsal spines. The toxins within these spines can remain active for days even after the fish has died. When humans are exposed to the venom, it directly affects the muscular system and nervous system, causing swelling of the hearts, smooth muscles, and irregular breathing. 4. Redback spider. The redback spider Latrodectus hasselti is considered one of the most dangerous spiders in Australia. Its name comes from the bright red stripe across the abdomen of the female, which serves as a warning signal. A bite from this spider can be fatal. In addition to its deadly venom, the redback spider possesses an advanced hunting strategy. It weaves a web to trap prey, and once the prey becomes ensnared, the spider injects a complex venom called alpha-lactotoxin through its fangs. It then binds the victim with silk, immobilizes the limbs, and repeatedly bites the head, body, and legs before digesting the prey. This process liquefies the internal organs, which the spider then consumes. The redback spider is also dangerous to humans, as its venom can cause severe symptoms such as intense pain, extreme fatigue, nausea, rapid heartbeat, headaches, agitation, and in severe cases, death. Fortunately, female redback spiders rarely leave their webs, but they will bite if a human hand comes too close. 5. Australian funnel web spider. The Australian funnel web spider, or Atracinae, is a subfamily of spiders within the Hexathelidae family found across Australia. This subfamily includes 3 genera: Atrax, Hadronish, and Illawarra, a monotypic genus. It contains several highly venomous species, most notably the Sydney funnel web spider Atrax robustus. Funnel web spiders are widely distributed across the continent and prefer moist environments with soil contact. These spiders can grow between 1 and 5 centimeters in length and range in color from black to brown. The venom delivered by their large fangs attacks the human nervous system, causing foaming at the mouth and random muscle spasms. If untreated, a funnel web spider bite can be fatal sometimes within just 2 hours. Funnel web spiders inhabit an area within a 160-kilometer radius around Sydney. Although no fatalities have occurred since antivenom was introduced in 1981, the species remains a symbol of both fear and fascination for spider enthusiasts in Sydney. Funnel web spider silk is used in optical devices. These spiders can often be found beneath rocks and logs in forests, inside compost piles, or in soil beneath house foundations. 6. Great white shark. The great white shark Carcharodon carchareus, also known by other names such as white pointer, white death, or white shark, is a large shark species of the order Laniformes found in coastal waters throughout the world as oceans. The great white shark is well known for its size, which can reach up to 6.4 meters in length, although there have been reports of individuals measuring up to 8 meters and weighing up to 3,324 kilograms. This species reaches sexual maturity at around 15 years of age and was previously believed to have a lifespan of more than 30 years. However, its actual lifespan is now estimated to be much longer, around 70 years or more, making it one of the longest living cartilaginous fish species. Great white sharks can swim at speeds exceeding 56 kilometers per hour. Great white sharks prey on a wide range of marine mammals, as well as fish and seabirds. They are the only surviving species in the genus Carcharodon and rank at the top among shark species responsible for attacks on humans. Peter Benchley's novel Jaws and Steven Spielberg's blockbuster film portrayed the great white shark as a brutal man-eater. Humans are not the preferred prey of great white sharks, but this species accounts for the highest number of recorded shark attacks and fatalities worldwide. 7. Blue-ringed octopus. The blue-ringed octopus is found in tidal pools and coral reefs in the Pacific and Indian Oceans, ranging from the waters of Japan to Australia. It can be identified by its yellowish skin and distinctive bright blue rings, which can change color rapidly when the animal is threatened. It feeds on small animals such as crabs, hermit crabs, shrimp, and other crustaceans. The blue-ringed octopus is recognized as one of the most venomous marine creatures in the world. Despite its small size, only 12 to 20 centimeters, and generally docile nature, it poses a serious danger to humans if provoked or handled. Its venom contains tetrodotoxin, an extremely powerful neurotoxin. 8. Saltwater crocodile. The saltwater crocodile, Crocodilus porosus, is the largest living reptile in the world and the largest coastal predator. In Australia, saltwater crocodiles are found along the northern coastline from Broome in northwestern Western Australia to the Gladstone region in southeastern Queensland. They are also found on offshore islands of the Northern Territory and Queensland and have been recorded up to 96 kilometers away from the nearest landmass. Adult males can reach lengths of 6.3 meters and occasionally up to 7 meters, though individuals exceeding 6 meters are rare. Mature males typically weigh between 1,000 and 1,200 kilograms. Females are much smaller and usually do not exceed 3 meters in length. Saltwater crocodiles have a distinctive appearance, a long snout with eyes and nostrils positioned on top of the head, thick skin, a long tail, streamlined body, short limbs, and clawed feet. Their snout is broad, more than twice the width of the head. Adults range in color from yellow-brown to gray and black with irregular dark spots. Juveniles have lighter patterns with dark stripes or spots that fade with age. Their underside is cream-colored. Saltwater crocodiles are primarily nocturnal but will hunt during the day if given the opportunity. They eat almost any animal they can catch and overpower. Smaller crocodiles feed on insects and crustaceans, while larger individuals consume larger prey such as water birds, turtles, and mammals as large as buffalo. They are often referred to as man-eaters. With 68 large teeth, they can trap humans in their jaws and use a spinning motion to drag prey underwater while tearing it apart. 1/3 of saltwater crocodile attacks in Australia have resulted in death since the species was protected in 1971. 9. Australian box jellyfish. The box jellyfish Chironex fleckeri, also known as the sea wasp, is a deadly venomous jellyfish found along the northern coast of Australia. It is considered one of the most terrifying animals in the ocean due to its tentacles. The venom contained in these tentacles places it among the most venomous creatures in the world. Box jellyfish are nearly invisible in the water, making them a mysterious nightmare of the sea. A single box jellyfish can have up to 60 tentacles, each reaching lengths of up to 4.5 meters and containing around 5,000 stinging cells with enough toxin to kill 60 people. The venom attacks the nervous system, causes cardiac arrest, and stops breathing. However, due to its body structure, the box jellyfish cannot swim quickly. It struggles particularly when changing direction because of its long tentacles. Even while hunting, this highly venomous jellyfish is not especially agile. 10. Irukandji jellyfish. Irukandji jellyfish is a collective term for a small group of jellyfish closely related to box jellyfish, known for their extremely potent venom. There are 4 species in this group: Carukia barnesi, Malo kinji, Alatina alater, and Malo maximus. The waters of Queensland and Western Australia are home to the highest concentrations of Irukandji jellyfish. Their primary weapons are their dangerous tentacles, which can grow up to 2.5 meters long and contain numerous stinging cells that inject venom into prey. Irukandji jellyfish stings are initially painless, but after about 30 minutes, the venom directly affects the central nervous system and causes a set of symptoms known as Irukandji syndrome. These include vomiting, sweating, headaches, lower back pain, increased heart rate, elevated blood pressure, and pulmonary edema. Symptoms may last for several hours or several days and can be fatal due to heart failure. 11. Cone snail. This seemingly ordinary animal possesses a specialized chitinous tooth that can be launched from its mouth like a harpoon, stabbing its prey and injecting venom. The venom causes victims to vomit and suffer from diarrhea. 12. Cassowary. The cassowary is an extremely aggressive bird that can grow up to 1.8 meters tall. It can reach speeds of up to 50 kilometers per hour and jump as high as 1.5 meters. It is often described as a modern-day version of a raptor dinosaur from Jurassic Park. Cassowaries attack hundreds of people each year, and some of these attacks have resulted in fatalities. With its diverse ecosystems and rich variety of wildlife, Australia is truly a remarkable country filled with fascinating wonders waiting to be explored. If you ever have the opportunity, visit Australia to witness and experience firsthand the extraordinary natural features unique to the land down under. And don't forget to subscribe to Top Wonder as we continue exploring exciting top 10 animal lists together.